Welcome back to the Easy English channel. Today we are going to talk about the word over. This is a very common word that many of you probably already know. But even though it is common, many people don't know how to use it in a variety of contexts or how to bring it into their everyday conversations. Now I am going to teach you how to use this word correctly and in all its powerful ways. This little word actually has 15 different meanings. I will give you each meaning along with example sentences. That will be incredibly useful for improving your fluency in English. So don't skip the video, watch the video till the end. Then only you will come to know how to use this word in right way. This word can be used as a preposition, adverb, adjective, prefix, and even a noun, especially in cricket. First meaning, above or higher than something else. Sometimes one thing covers the other. Based on this meaning, I will give you 4 example sentences. First, the sign over the wall said no smoking. It means it was a non-smoking area indicated by a sign. Second, he held the umbrella over both of us. Third, I put my hands over my eyes because I don't want to see it. Fourth, I couldn't hear what he was saying over the noise from the crowd. Second meaning, covering something. Based on this meaning, I will give you 3 example sentences. First, he is putting a blanket over the sleeping child. Second, she puts a shawl over her shoulders. Third, I put a sweater on over my shirt. It means I wore a sweater over my shirt. Third meaning, across, from one side or place to the other. Based on this meaning, I will give you 6 example sentences. First, the dog jumped over the gate. Second, the road goes through a tunnel, not over the mountains. Third, she leaned over and kissed the child. Fourth, the aeroplane flew over my house. Fifth, why don't you come over for lunch on Friday? It means someone is calling, let's do lunch at my place this Friday. Sixth, they sailed over to the island. Fourth meaning, falling down from somewhere. Based on this meaning, I will give you 2 example sentences. First, the ball rolled over the edge of the sofa. It means the ball dropped from the edge of the sofa. Second, John jumped out of the car just before it went over the cliff. Fifth meaning is more than. Based on this meaning, I will give you 2 example sentences. First, the cost was over rupees 200. It means the cost was above 200 rupees. Second, any person over the age of 18 can ride the bike. Sixth meaning, on the other side of. Based on this meaning, I will give you 2 example sentences. First, there is a bus stand just over the road. Second, the list continues over the page. It means the list continues on the other side of the page. Seventh meaning, connected with or about. Based on this meaning, I will give you 2 example sentences. First, there is no point in thinking over something that is not important. Second, he needs time to think over my proposal. Eighth meaning is during a period of time. Based on this meaning, I will give you 3 example sentences. First, we met several times over the Pongal holidays. Second, they will be away over the weekend. It means they will be away during the weekend. Third, he made a lot of changes over the past 3 months. Ninth meaning is control. Based on this meaning, I will give you 2 example sentences. First, He has no control over his bike and it's terrible. Second, anger comes when you don't have control over your mind. It means anger will come when you don't keep your mind under your control. Tenth meaning is using. Based on this meaning, I will give you two example sentences. First, they received the warning over the radio. Second, we won't discuss the confidential information over the phone. 11th meaning, hand something over to someone. Based on this meaning, I will give you one example sentence. I handed over the money to them. It means I gave them the money. I delivered the money to them. 12th meaning is finished. This meaning is very familiar to everyone that many of you probably already know. Based on this meaning, I will give you two example sentences. First, I will be glad when the game is over. Second, the holidays are over. 13th meaning, not used, still remaining. Based on this meaning, I will give you two example sentences. First, there is a lot of food left over from the party. In this place, leftover means still remaining. It means the plenty of food remained after the party. Second, I have some dollars left over from the last time I was in America. 14th meaning, everywhere. Based on this meaning, I will give you two example sentences. First, I can't find my mobile and I looked all over the place. It means I have searched everywhere, but I still can't find my mobile. Second, the milk spilled all over the floor. 15th meaning, repeated. Based on this meaning, I will give you two example sentences. First, they will have to start all over again. It means they will have to redo everything. Second, he kept saying the same thing over and over again. We can use this word as a prefix in the meaning of too much or excessively. For example, overthinking, overconfident. You have seen the meaning and example sentences for the word over. If you want to learn more things like these, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. You will definitely learn many more things. That brings us to the end of today's lessons. I will see you in my next video. Until then, this is Satish signing off. Thank you.